It was a warm, warm sun that was born today on a South Dakota September autumn morn. Hi, I'm Chef Jamie, South Dakota's singing chef, and proud to introduce Chef Jamie's Cooking with Soul, the best of the Midwest. Join us as we head out on the highway and explore the best of the Midwest.
You'll never guess the places that I've been. You never guess the places that I've been. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in.
Woo! Black Hills. As South Dakota's singing chef, many of you may remember me from American Idol.
In San Francisco.
Let's cross the mighty Missouri. I'm Chef Jamie.
I watch your show all the time.
Celebrate great customer service. Good food. Just go ahead and do a nice little piece of pepper in the center. That is the plate. We'll be back right after this break. I'll be catching up with friends both old and new, some famous and some just like you. This is a show like no other, featuring real food, real people, and real fun. We'll take you from city to farm, from farm to table. The soul in Cooking with Soul is community spirit, because in the heartland, living is giving.
Chef Jamie, yeah, thank you.
Come try our food, meet our people, hear our songs, and share in our story. It's an American story. It's a story from the heartland.